Do you feel it's getting harder to build or maintain muscle? Maybe you have noticed more fat accumulating around your waist, or your pectorals are starting to feel softer and sag. Have you been feeling fatigued, sluggish, or have trouble maintaining focus? All this could be linked to low testosterone levels. Testosterone, a vital male sex hormone, is key in supporting several important bodily functions like muscle development, bone strength, fertility, and sexual performance. It also regulates your recovery from workouts, impacts your confidence, and even affects the growth of facial and body hair, as well as influences traits like aggressiveness and dominance. Essentially, all characteristics typically associated with masculinity are driven by testosterone. Although it's normal for testosterone levels to decrease as we age, certain lifestyle habits and health conditions can cause them to plummet. Low testosterone levels can raise the risk of mental conditions like depression, anxiety, and a decline in cognitive function. Physical symptoms of low testosterone include deterioration in muscle mass, increased body fat, and can lead to weaker bones, increasing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. So it's important to keep those testosterone levels, or T levels, in check. Fortunately, nature has given us some powerful testosterone boosters. In this video, we're diving into 5 incredible herbs that can skyrocket your testosterone levels. No needles, no synthetic stuff. And stick around, because at the end of this video, we've got a delicious fruit drink that can supercharge your testosterone by a jaw-dropping 24%. So, make sure you watch till the end. You won't want to miss this. Check out the description for links to all the awesome supplements we mentioned. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and share this video with your friends and family. Everything in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and not a replacement to advice provided by your healthcare professional. Always consult with your healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Ashwagandha. First on our list is ashwagandha, a renowned Ayurvedic herb, is a natural powerhouse for boosting testosterone levels. Rich in bioactive compounds, it helps reduce stress, which can significantly impact testosterone production. Studies have shown that ashwagandha can increase testosterone levels by up to 17%. To maximize its testosterone boosting benefits, consider taking ashwagandha root extract in capsule or powder form. Opt for standardized extracts with a guaranteed concentration of withanolides, the key active compounds. Fenugreek. Fenugreek, a plant native to the Mediterranean, is packed with compounds like saponins that can help increase testosterone levels. Studies have shown that fenugreek can boost testosterone by up to 20%. It is also known to reduce cholesterol levels and helps prevent heart diseases. Fenugreek is typically consumed as a supplement in capsule or powder form. The recommended dosage varies, so it's important to follow the instructions on the product label. It is also used for cooking, so add it to your curries, stews, or soups for a different type of kick. Tongkat Ali, also called longjack. Tongkat Ali is a plant native to Southeast Asia with powerful medicinal properties. It contains compounds that can help increase testosterone levels. Studies have shown it can improve muscle mass, strength, and energy levels. To reap the benefits of Tongkat Ali, consider taking it in capsule or extract form. Studies show Tongkat Ali supplements can increase testosterone in men by up to 37%. Ginseng. Ginseng, a revered herb in traditional Chinese medicine, has been used for centuries to enhance vitality and overall well-being. It's believed to have a positive impact on testosterone levels. Ginseng contains ginsenosides, compounds that may help stimulate testosterone production. Studies have shown it can improve energy levels, reduce stress, and enhance cognitive function. For optimal testosterone benefits, consider taking Korean ginseng, as this variety is generally considered the most potent. The increase in testosterone for men can be up to 45% according to recent studies. Hawthorn Berry. And finally, we have Hawthorn Berry. A vibrant red fruit commonly found in hedgerows has long been used in traditional medicine. Recent studies suggest that it may also have a positive impact on testosterone levels. While the exact mechanism is still being researched, it's believed that Hawthorn Berry may help increase testosterone production by improving blood flow and reducing oxidative stress. To reap the benefits of Hawthorn Berry, consider taking it in supplement form. While studies on Hawthorn Berry and testosterone are ongoing, some research suggests that it may increase testosterone levels by up to 80%. As a thank you for sticking around until the end of this video, we have a special bonus for you. A drink that has a plethora of health benefits and can surge your testosterone level. Several studies suggest that consuming pomegranate juice could turbocharge testosterone levels in both men and women. In one study, participants who drank pomegranate juice for 14 days experienced a 24% spike in salivary testosterone on average. There you have it. Nature has provided us with many natural ways to elevate testosterone levels and keep you feeling younger and more energized. It is important to mention that sleep, diet, exercise, and maintaining lower stress levels will complement these supplements to deliver maximum health benefits. Check out the links in the description below for supplements that pack a real punch. Until next time, stay well, stay vibrant, and take care of your body naturally.